Hi, I'm Leon Gierke and I'm owner of Spanier Metalworks, and I'd like to welcome you to our virtual tour. We've been in business for 35 years. We have numerous capabilities with laser cutting, forming, design work, welding, tube laser cutting, saw work. We do a lot of pipe bending. We also have powder coating capabilities. Joe Herges, our sales manager, is going to give you a virtual tour of the shop in a few minutes here. Thank you for considering Spanier Metalworks.
This is our engineering department where it pretty much all starts. It'll come in as a project from sales. From there, it'll go to the engineering department. Well, they'll create pamphlets for our shop to work off. They'll create drawings for the shop. They will create the cutout patterns for our laser table with plate laser and for the tube laser. And from there, they'll pass on the information to them out there. They'll call them up and do the cutting on the appropriate equipment. We work off SolidWorks. We work off AutoCAD, TXF, and DWG files. That's what works for our laser table, but the SolidWorks works for our 3D laser. This is our LaserMac 4,000 watt laser table. It's a 5-foot by 10-foot table. We can do up to 1/2 inch carbon steel on it and up to 1/4 inch stainless steel at the max. It's fully automated. Most of the drawings are delivered down from our engineering department and the drawings are called up down here. From there, they'll cut all the parts out here and then they will load them up behind us here. Kind of give you a general idea of the laser quality you get here at Spanier Metalworks. Here we've got our shear. It cuts up to 1/4 inch mild steel and it will do up to 10-foot lengths. That's the maximum we can do with this. This area here is our press area where we form all the materials depending on what we're going to be fabricating out of it. Right here we've got our 180-ton press brake. It's a Piranha. That's a 10-foot press. And in this area over here, we've also got a 5-foot, 60-ton AccuPress press brake for some of the smaller projects that we do. And as for dies, we got over 150 different styles of dies to make any bend you would need. And this is our new 350-pound Cincinnati press brake with the 18-inch stroke. It's got a dual sheet list for safety of our employees. It's got new precision grounded tooling to meet the tight tolerances of our customer needs. From the shear and the press area and the laser table, we transfer all the cut and form materials to our fabrication area. Here we've got 8 different welding bays. We got TIG welding and MIG welding. And our welders are stationed in one spot. They work in either teams or singly, where all the material is brought to them and they never have to move for it. Okay, here we've got our tube sawing, tube cutting, and tube forming area. We have one automated tube bender here. It's automated for bending the bends where you need them, any degree you want. We got a manually operated one that can do up to 3-inch tubing bending and forming. In this room here, we've got our new tube laser. It's a Mazak 4,000 watt fiber gear. Does up to 10.5 diameter tubing round and 8-inch max square tubing up to 1/2 inch thick. We can load multiple tubes at a time. It's got an auto feed and an auto unload. We got a couple pre-cut tubes right here. Kind of shows you some of the shapes and designs we can get out of it. And it's a nice clean laser cut. And here we've got our two CNC auto feed bandsaws. Does up to a 13-inch high and about a 30-inch width. Right back in here we've got another one of our machines for our tube forming. We can do up to 3-4-inch tubing and roll it into coils, and with a little bit of tooling, if we wanted to, we could do angle rolling and forming too. This is an example of some of our equipment we do. This is a gold claimer. It's custom for a customer who sends it overseas, and he's got all kinds of customers in the mining industries. And of course our various cattle equipment, our feeders, gates, and we are coming upon our paint powder coat building. Built, I believe it's about 3 years ago. It's a newer system. We do all of our powder coating and some wet coat in this building. This is the new oven we got for our powder coat. It's 24 feet long, 13 feet high, 14 foot wide. Everything we do, we preheat it first. After preheating, we come over here to the side here. We'll do a powder coat. We've had some product just come out recently, right over here. As you can see, when it's all done, you do get a nice shiny gloss on it.
I hope you enjoyed your virtual tour of Spanier Metalworks, and we can help you with all your metalworking needs. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 320-243-7552. Thank you, God bless, and have a good day.